Ellumière by Birkdale is one of the simplest and most effective 12-volt garden lighting systems available. From deck lights to spotlights to bollards and transformers to connectors and sensors, we have everything your customers need to get their gardens glowing. Here at Birkdale, we create and supply innovative solutions and premium products to support your business needs, ensuring they are easy to buy, easy to sell and simple to install. Our Ellumière range is backed by a 2-year warranty and enables customers to build their own lighting layout in 3 simple steps. It's customised garden lighting without the need for an electrician. At Birkdale, our priority is quality, and this is evident across all our ranges. Ellumière is no different. Working with us allows you to offer great garden lighting to your customers. Whether your customers are builders, landscapers or homeowners, Ellumière offers flexible and simple lighting, helping them showcase all the hard work that they've done in their gardens. Ellumière is the final touch when turning an outdoor space into an extension of the home, highlighting the best features, making it perfect day or night. Ellumière will help bring a new dimension and sales avenue to your business. As we're spending more time at home, the garden lighting market has seen a huge growth in the last year. We've created both a spotlight and a deck light starter kit as an easy grab-and-go solution for customers. Kits can be expanded with up to 12 lights in any configuration, with up to 50 metres of cable per transformer. Or simply customise your garden lighting design with our wider lighting range. Bollards, perfect for driveways, walkways or in borders. Spotlights can be used to great effect enhancing your planting scheme or uplighting your fencing. And for decking or raised beds, we have our deck light range, which can be further personalised with coloured lenses. There's so much more to garden lighting than automatic floodlights. Ellumière is the easiest way to create an impact. Get in touch today to stock Ellumière by Birkdale.